Hello Facebook friends, I'm making this video specifically for you. In case there were any of you out there who wanted to do a welfare check or to find out about my mental state, this video is for you. The reason I have been posting such very strange things on my timeline, I've tried to keep the postings to a minimum, absolute minimum. The reason for it is I've been busy with a project, and the project is I have been testing scams like you won't believe. So during the pandemic, the most searched for thing online was how to make money. Because we were all looking for a side hustle, where some of us faced job losses, etc., etc. And sort of clicking through, there wasn't terribly much else to do. Clicking through, I realized there's a huge demand for this, and if there was only a legitimate way that one could make money online. And I thought, you know what, surely not all of these are scams. It just can't be. So I tried one for one. I've been checking them out. It's taken 18 months of my life. And if you've seen t-shirts and B&Bs and all kinds of strange things on my timeline, that is why. But sometimes one is almost forced to publish, and in those instances I have, but I've also tried very hard not to give the game away. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see how to make money online. There are a couple of ways that work. I'm not going to advocate anything in particular. What I'm more focused on is letting you know what scams are, what's a complete waste of time, and the others where you are just enriching somebody else. Keep on watching.